The science of rewiring your habits, how to reprogram your mind for success. What if I told you the secret of changing your life is not motivation, but rewiring your brain? Every habit you have, good or bad, is built into the neural pathways of your mind. And today, we will explore the science behind how you can reprogram your brain and build habits that shape your future. Welcome to Beyond Rewind. Section 1, Understanding Habits. Your brain is an incredibly efficient machine. It loves shortcuts, and habits are actually that. According to Neuroscience, every time you repeat an action, neurons in your brain connect and strengthen a pathway called a neural loop. That's why brushing your teeth or checking your phone feels automatic. Your brain has wired it in. But here's the exciting part. Neuroscientists call it neuroplasticity. Your brain's ability to rewire itself at an age, which means you can literally reshapes who you are by changing what you repeatedly do. Section 2, Breaking Bad Habits. To break a bad habit, you don't as the old neural pathway. You replace it. Think of it like carving a new trail through a forest at first. It's hard and uncomfortable, but the more you walk the new path, the easier it becomes, and over time, the old trail grows over and disappears. Science calls this process synaptic pruning. Your brain removes old, unused connections to make space for stronger, more useful ones. So instead of trying to stop a habit, redirect it, replace scrolling with journaling, replace procrastination with a 5-minute action, small shifts, massive rewiring. Section 3, Building New Habits. Dr. Andrew Huberman for Stanford says repetition and reward are the keys to neuroplastic change. That means repeat the behavior consistently, even in small doses. Reward yourself, celebrate progress to replace dopamine, your brain's motivation chemical. Start tiny, want to start reading daily. Read one page, just one. Your brain only needs consistency to start rewiring. As author James Clear puts it, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. The science is clear. Your brain is not fixed, it's flexible, evolving, and waiting for your next command. So, the question is, what habits will you choose to build in this next chapter of your life? Because your future is not written in your DNA, it's written in your daily habits. This is Beyond Rewired, helping you unlock the science of personal growth. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and start rewiring your life one habit at a time.